Every question needs the right mind behind it. Some questions need depth, some need speed, and some need a different kind of thinking entirely. Meet Crompt AI, because no single AI is best at everything. Some excel at reasoning, some at creativity, some at research, some at coding. So why limit yourself to just one? Try Crompt AI. With Crompt, the world's most powerful AI minds work together in one place. Switch between them instantly. Different models, different ways of thinking. GPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok. Compare perspectives. Find the answer that actually fits. You can turn ideas into visuals. Generate with the world's leading image models. Imagine it. Create it. And when your thoughts are moving faster than your fingers, just speak.
How can I help you today?
Create a landing page for my website.
Crompt AI listens, understands, responds. Try Crompt AI. Think beyond the prompt.